Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy F23. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's enter Google app. Tap button in the top right corner, go to Settings and go to Google Assistant. Enter voice match and make sure that this function is enabled. Now go back, enter lock screen and also make sure that this function is enabled. Now you can simply lock the screen and say, "Hey Google." "Okay Google, what's the weather like tomorrow?"
It'll be sunny with a high of 68 and a low of 32.
If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.